We are here with Varski and Rewa. How are you guys doing?
Very good, thank you.
Yeah, good.
So is this your first time in Coventry? You've been here before?
I've been here once before.
Yeah. So first time in Coventry. You've been here before. I mean, what do you think of our SU? It's a nice nightclub, isn't it?
It's a really good state-of-the-art venue. The sound system is really good, like loud, like good. You have a good party tonight.
Yeah. Enjoyed it? Like it?
Yeah, I love it. To be fair, I've been around a lot of clubs, and this sound system is one of the loudest I've ever heard. Seriously,
Yeah.
It's going to blow your head off.
Very modern university. So I mean, for you guys, I mean, who are your influences as you were producing as artists? How are you, who are your influences?
You first.
I mean, I like everyone really across the board, but at the moment, the person or the people that are really doing it for me, a Knife Party.
Yeah.
Don't you know? I'm like, they're influenced by bass, but also electro house. Keeps everyone going. It's nice.
Keeps the crowd going.
Yeah, that's me.
Influences, just legends of the industry. Michael Jackson, The Prodigy, Knife Party again, Pendulum.
Old school. Yeah.
Like just Rehab, another one. Afrojack. Anyone who's a pioneer in a certain genre. I love all music.
That's class, man. That's class. So you guys excited then? You're excited for your pumps? I mean, we've got a lot of people here. It's like just over 800 people. Are you excited? You good?
Buzzing.
Yeah.
Real buzzing.
Yeah, I've seen the crowd. DJ Fresh is kidding out at the moment. We're like, we can't wait to get on.
He was brilliant, wasn't he?
Yeah. Like we're excited. We're gonna kill it though. So watch this space.
Yeah, man. Well, watch these guys. Thank you so much for your time. Really appreciate it. Good luck, boys. Cheers.